Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. To the new ones here, I'm Swati and my channel is called Swati Lovely Life. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon to be notified on the latest videos that I upload. Okay, so if you're seeing this beautiful face for the first time, let me tell you guys, today I am here without any makeup. Why? Yes, there is a reason. So let me tell you guys what I got, why I'm here without makeup will all be revealed in this video. So stay tuned. So let's without delay guys, I'm going to start with the video. So I'm going to review one of the product from one of the most hyped brands. So yes, I have used a lot of their products. I am absolutely in love with their products, but this one product did not work for me. I'm not telling you guys that it is not worthy. It did not work for me. It could be because of the lifestyle I lead, because of different skin types, because of the weather over here. Anything could be the reason guys. I don't pinpoint that it's the mistake of the brand, because each of the product, each of the things that you try on your skin varies as per the climate, the food, the drink, everything varies. So I just don't say it could be the mistake from only the product. And yes, I will reveal the product guys. It is Tantanam. It's a Good Vibes Argan Fine Line Minimizing Face Cream. Yes, this is the product. Okay, so this one is a product which has a shelf life of 2 years and retails for 225 rupees. Last month when I purchased my monthly beauty products, skincare products, I just felt that I need something that could take care of my skin, the fine lines, because yes, just now I finished my birthday. It was on October 10th, so it's just recently that I feel like I should be taking more care about the fine lines, about the signs of aging, all of this. So I was searching for products. I found the retinol cream from Wow. Yes, that was from Wow, and it did really work well for me. So when I went and ordered that from the Wow website itself, I got to know that it's only a night cream. So I thought let's try something for the day cream as well to balance the whole thing. So that was when I went to my favorite website, which is purple.com. I started searching for products that could help you with the aging. So I came across this product, which is the Good Vibes Argan Face Cream. Usually just like a moisturizer, I used it. I washed my face, applied the toner, then I applied my serum, then this moisturizer, and it says it's good for it gives skin the this nourishing cream gives helps soothing out fine lines and wrinkles. It has skin brightening properties which help fade away blemishes and even out skin tone for natural radiance. Yes guys, argan oil, or the main property of argan is that it gives you the helps you fight out those blemishes or the pimple marks and all of that sort. So that is why argan is used. So they do that is what is mentioned, along with getting rid of those signs of aging. So I just followed whatever is mentioned here. Its main ingredients include purified water, I don't know, I'm not able to find argan. Yes, it's about the 6th or 7th ingredient in this product. Now, I have a natural skin tone guys, and I live in a place where the climate is humid. Let me make it clear to you. It is humid over here. It's not a dry weather. So yes, this is the texture of the product. As you can see, I have used quite a bit, and if I should show you the texture on the skin, this is how it is, and this is how it is when you apply it on your skin. The thing is, yes, can you see that shine on my skin? The glow on my skin is nothing but it is just like a oil, more than a cream. It is like a oil. It doesn't get absorbed too easily onto your skin. My skin, the first time that I used it, started sweating out. I started sweating when I applied this. So I was like, okay, let's give it a try, because sweating out doesn't mean it's not good. It could also be that I stay in a humid climate area, so that is the reason. So I thought I should give it a fair chance. So I just applied it continuously for a week. I didn't stop applying it. I just thought my skin starts to get used to it because of the weather in my area. But whatsoever guys, this is a result. Can you see this? Yes guys, this, it is all the result of using this cream, trust me. I am a girl who didn't have any usually during puberty is when we start getting the pimple marks, pimple signs on our face. But at that time I never had any of these issues. I didn't have any problem with any of such products. But only when I started using this cream is when I started getting all of these. And yes, it's been a week that I have stopped using, and I can see improvement, that they are no more coming back. Whatever has come since a long time is still there. So yes guys, I wouldn't say Good Vibes is not good or Good Vibes Argan cream is not at all good for you. It might suit you, but it did not suit me. Me having a normal skin type in a humid climate, I sweat a lot usually, and maybe that's what didn't suit me. Maybe if you don't sweat much, it's a good cream, but yes, it did not work for me. So that is one product I regret buying from Good Vibes until date. I have used the raspberry. I have shared my complete skincare routine with raspberry and peppermint. I use a few toners from Good Vibes. I have individually shared the reviews of the raspberry and peppermint day cream and the raspberry and peppermint face wash. It's all available on my channel guys, you can all check that. Maybe I will create a folder which has only Good Vibes review in it, so you can just easily quickly grab the details of all the products. So yes guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit on the bell icon and to be notified on the latest video, and before that, subscribe to my channel. Please guys, please subscribe to my channel. Your subscription means a lot to me. It's not this much, it's not this much, it's this much for me if you subscribe to my channel, because your encouragement, your subscription is a source of encouragement. So yes guys, that's it for today. Until my next video, take care, bye bye, love you all.